Today's video is all about cinematics, point of interest, and just enjoying the flight. So today's video is set in Ropner Park, which is in Hartburn in the northeast of England. And rather than telling about settings and filters and all the likes, today's video is just all about the flight. I try and do some point of interest shots. I'll show you what's there in the park. There's like a nice little kiddies area. There's a big open space just to run around and walk your dog. There's also a lake where it's got wildlife on there. So there's plenty for all the family there. I did a video on that, so check it out if you're interested in that. It's on my Saturday videos. But yeah, today is just getting the drone up and show you what's there, so check it out. So that was Ropner Park in Hartburn. Hope you enjoyed that video. I just wanted to do something a little bit different rather than showing you maneuvers, settings, talking about that side of things. I wanted to get the drone up and show you exactly what the Mini 5 Pro can do. Now, it had the ND16 filter on the front, it had automatic settings, and I just thought it's not windy like it is today. It was a calm day, it was a nice day. I took the drone up in the air, flew it around and tried to capture some nice point of interest shots and some other different angles and stick it together for a video for you to watch. And yeah, I think it looks nice. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, hit like, and don't forget to drop comments in the comments section. Let us know how you're getting on with your drone. Let us know if you've got a drone channel. Put your URL down below as well. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one, whatever that may be and whatever I may be doing. So take care of yourself and happy flying. Bye bye.